Hello Maximates. Today we are going to discuss Kcet Mathematics mock test 2 paper discussion. First, observe the question number 1. In this numerator part, in my observation, it is clearly a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Instead of a, x is there. Instead of b, 1 is there. It is nothing but a x plus 1 whole cube, a plus b whole cube. Observation over, right? Now apply the concepts. It is nothing but Pascal's triangle, right? You know, right? What the meaning of Pascal's triangle? First, it will start 1, next 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Like this, 1, 1, 2. Next, it will come 1. It is 3 on 3, 1. Now, what this one? It is a plus b whole cube. It is a plus b whole square, and it is in a power 0. It is 1 like that. It will come, right? Now, numerator will become x plus 1 whole cube by x plus 1 whole power 5 dx. Here observe, here 1 3 and 1 3 will be cancelled. Still one more 2 is there in denominator. But if I am take upside, x plus 1 whole power minus 2, the plus 2 here observe, 1 by x square we can write x power minus 2 like that. Minus 2 times dx. Now it is simple integration, right? It is looks like x power n. Instead of x, x plus 1 is there. What is n value here? Minus 2. So what is x power? N plus 1 by n plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2. Which is minus 1 by minus 1, right? So then x to the power x plus 1 whole to the power of minus 1 by minus 1. Here observe, plus into minus, minus it will come. Then that equal to minus, and also this x inverse we can write 1 by x. Then minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c is the my answer. Now see the options and pick correct answer. So what is the option number? So wait, I will pick the red one. Yes, here minus 1 by x plus 1 is option number 1. Next question, see. It is a very simple integration, right? Okay, first, what is our observation? It's a straightforward. If you are able to make this question in terms of 1 by x square root of x square minus 1, what is this answer? It is nothing but a secant inverse x by a plus c. I mean, it is a square. Then x by a. If it is 1, then it is secant inverse of x, right? Okay, first, here given integral, I am writing like this. X cube is there, no? We can write x power 6 as x cube whole square minus 4 whole square. Yes, right? But it is not x, right? How to write this one? Put take some substitution, put x cube equal to t. Then we get t square minus what? Okay, take substitution, then 10. Put x cube equal to t whenever substitution, right? Immediately what we should do in integration? Differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Then derivative of x cube 3x square with derivative with respect to x with function t. dt by dx, it will come if we cross multiply 3x square dx equal to dt. Observe student, I want only here, I mean what we need here, dx only, right? So here if you send that one, then dx value you will get, right? From this one, dx equal to 1 by 3x square dt. Substitute all these values in the integral. Then our integral, it will becomes 1 by x is as it is, x cube answer t square minus 4 whole square. What is the dx answer here? This is dx, right? So here dx value 1 by 3x square dt. Substitute that 1 by 3x square dt. Observe here students, here 1 is x is there, here 1 x square is there, x into x square, x cube we will get, right? Okay, then if I multiply those two, and also Here 1 by 3 constant, right? Take out 1 by x cube under root of t square minus 4 whole square into dt, right? Then 1 by 3, already x cube value we know, right? What is x cube? It's substitution t, right? 1 by 3 integral 1 by t under root of t square minus a square into d. It's a straightforward formula, right? What is the straightforward formula? Integral 1 by x under root of x square minus a square dx equal to secant inverse of x by a plus c, right? Substitute that one, that's all. Then if I am write the formula here, 1 by 3 secant inverse of, oh, it's a 4, right? It's a 4. Make correct, students. It's a 4 whole square. Then secant inverse x, instead of x, what is the variable? T by a. What is a here? 4 plus c. I am now replacing t as x. What is our x here? I mean t value here. What is our t substitution? It's x cube, right? Substitute that one, x cube by 4 plus c. So this is my final answer. Now see which one is correct option. 1 by 3 times secant inverse of x cube by 4. It's a option number 1. Next question. It is also very easiest question, just by using trigonometric formulas. We know that 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x, right? From by using this one, 1 plus cos 8x, we can write 2 cos square, how many times? That time 2 half 1. Now this time 8 of 4. 2 cos square 4x. Now by using this one, write down and then tell me answer. So I am taking our integral. Well, okay, I will write here. So our integral is integral 1 by 1 plus cos 8x dx. So here what is 1 by, I mean here 1 plus cot x, simplest form, 2 cos square x, right? 2 cos square 4x, sorry, 4x dx. See here, if you observe, 1 by 2 is clearly constant, right? And also students, here if I am right, cos square is upside, then what will 1 by cos? It's a secant. So 1 by cos square goes to secant square, right? I am writing rightly this one as secant square 4x dx. We know that, see, it's a very basic integral secant square x dx equal to tan x plus c. Suppose if it is ax, we can divide by tan ax by a. Clear? Make sure, student, your x coefficient always plus 1. If it is not plus 1, you should divide how much it is there. Clear? Except to plus 1. Okay. Suppose here 2x is there, tan 2x. Then you should be divided by 2. Clear? Like that. Then my answer is goes to 1 by 2 tan of 4x by 4 plus c. So which one is correct answer? So here one more I will add here. 1 by 2, it means 2 for j, right? Tan of 4x by 8 plus c is my final answer. Yeah, so which one is option finally? It is option number 4. Next question, see this one. See, whenever you are saying rationalization type of questions in your Kcet examination, think immediately rationalization. Whenever fraction, right? Think immediately rationalize. I mean, like sum related, sum of those or subtract of those. Like this, if your integral involves, then what you will be thinking immediately? Like immediately rationalization is very best method. If I am take rationalization here, then secant x numerator goes to secant x minus tan x by secant x You know, right? Okay, I will add one more step. Secant x plus tan x into secant x minus tan x into dx. Now see students, if I am expand numerator, then what will happen? Secant into secant here, secant square x, secant into minus tan x. Then secant square x minus secant x into tan x dividing by, here it is very easy, right? It is looks like a plus b into a minus b. What is formula a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square, right? By using algebraic formula, secant square minus tan square x into dx. Here observe, we have direct identity is there, right? Denominator part. What is this identity? Secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1, right? So this answer goes to 1. Then so denominator nothing, so how many parts? Numerator, okay, 2 parts. Okay, write down secant square x minus secant x tan x into dx, right? And here students, if I am split the integration, integral secant square x tan x and integral secant x tan x, it's a secant x, right? Why? Because of derivative of secant x tan x, derivative of tan x, secant square x. Clear? Then what is final answer here from this one? From this one, tan x minus secant x plus c. So this is my answer. So see the options and pick correct one. Oh. So which one is the correct option? Tan x tan x minus secant x plus c. It is option number 3, right? Next, it is very basic question, right? See, whenever such type of question, right, it will come, right? Simple. First you should know basic trick here. The trick is, whenever your integral looks like in this form, integral e power x times f of x plus f dash of x times dx. Then see, what is your observation here? E power x is exponential, it's a function and derivative. Then the resultant should be, this is the resultant, e power x times f of x, e power x times f of x plus c. Here makes you students, see here, this order is not, this order is not necessary. Maybe your like this also they will give, okay? E power x times f dash of x, f of x. That time also answer same, e power x times f of x plus c. Clear? Now see our problem and tell me answer. E power x times, what is the derivative of sin? Cos. So my answer e power x times sin x. So option number 2. It's just 1 second question, right, in our examination. Okay, then e power x times, what is function here? Sin x plus c. So it is option number 2. So what is here function? F. It's a f. It's a f dash. Next, see this question. It is very important question in your Kcet examination. This method is called partial fraction. How to do very fast in our examination? This is a question, right? See, if you want to find the value of a, first this one, when it will become 0, observe 3 minus 5, when it will goes to 0, this is important. Take, it's a quite opposite, right? It should be 5, it should be 3. Then it will become, see, 5 cancel, 3 minus 3 goes to 0. Clear? What is our substitution? X equal to 3 by 5 is my substitution. First observation, student. Okay, for this question I will write full solution here. For which value we want to find? For a. For a, put x is equal to, how much we need to substitute? 3 by 5. Then what is your work now? Observe here. Then it should not be substitute here. Substitute that x value here. Then what is the answer value? Substitute here. Then if you want to find when it goes to 0, observe when it is goes to 0, clearly minus 2 by 3, then this 3 will be cancelled, 2 minus 2 goes to 0, that time minus 2 by 3 substitute here, you will get b value. Clear? Now they are asking just ratio, right? First find out a and b, then substitute. If I am substitute here, then what will happen? That side it will become 1 by 2 plus 3 times 3 by 5, right? Then if I am take LCM, then 1 by 2 plus 9 by 5, it is a 19 by 5, it means 5 by 19, right? 5 by 19, yes. Then 5 by 19 is the value of a. Next, for b, now we need to find for b. So what is our substitution? Put x equal to, when it is goes to 0, this one already I told, right? Minus 2 by 3, yes. Put x equal to minus 2 by 3, then substitute minus 2 by 3 where? First, the first part, 3 minus 5x, 3 minus 5x is goes to minus 2 by 3, then minus times minus plus, then 1 by 3 plus 10 by 3, right? Then it will become 3 3 is 9, it means 3 by 19. Fine. Now a is to b we need to find, right? So what is my a value here? It is my a value and it is b value, right? So substitute those values. Now a is to b is, right? A is to b equal to, it is nothing but a by b, right? So what is a value here? Say 5 by 19, this one 3 by 19, here 19 will be, both will be cancelled. What is the remaining here? It's a 5 by 3. What is the 5 by 3 can be written as? 5 is to 3. So which option is correct? So it is option number 1. See, this is a learning, right? See, whenever I am going to explain to you students, it will take time, but if you are good in this mathematics, it will take just like 20 seconds or 30 seconds. See, here in examination you are no need to write this much of calculation, right? Just by the observation you will say when it is goes to 0, you will substitute here directly. It will take just 5 to 10 seconds. Next, if you want to find b, you will substitute. So first you will see when it goes to 0, substitute x value here, you will get b value, right? It will take again 5 to 10 seconds. Total it will take only less than 30 seconds in our examination. Clear, students? Next question. Integral. This question also same. It is looks like 125, right? If you apply this trick, if you are first able to make question as like looks like this, then apply the formula. This is only tricky here. First, observe. In denominator part, we can easy to write. We have only identity, right? Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Here cos square x we can write 1 minus sin square x, right? If you send that one, this we will get cos square x. So what is one side denominator value? Say cos square answer, right? Okay, write down this equal to integral e power x sin x plus cos x by, what is 1 minus sin square answer? Say cos square x dx. Now separate the integral, then tell me sin by cos, tan, still 1 by cos is there, so it will come secant. So finally secant x into tan x plus 1 cos, cos cancel, then this side 1 secant, 1 by cos is goes to secant, right? This is the we will get. Now if I am right, this one tan x into secant x, it means I am separated, okay, this part 1 and this part 1, plus plus 1 by secant goes to, it is cos, right? 1 by cos goes to secant, correct? Secant x e power x times, right? E power x times tan x secant x plus secant x dx. Now observe students, e power x times f of x. Now observe, if it is function, it's a derivative. No, observe, it is a second example, right? Now if it is function, derivative of secant x, secant times tan x. Yes, so it is f dash. So my answer is here equal to e power times f of x. It means secant x plus c. Then option number e power x times secant x. It's your option 3, right? Next question. It is also same. See, and also what is your observation here? If you want to solve particularly integral calculus, you should be become master in trigonometry, right? See, maybe you won't be get trigonometry in most questions, but the trigonometric concepts is mostly we are using in differential calculus as well as integral calculus, right? Yeah. Now, first of all, whenever p by q, rational form, right, in your integration, then first check first methods. It is looks like rationalization or any trigonometry, any algebraic, like that. Here, and also when make sure students, whenever p by q, right, write your numerator as according to like denominator, then your answer solution will be very easy. This is first important. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, first in what is the denominator part here? 1 plus cos, right? And denominator sin square. See, sin square theta we can now only we did, right? Sin square mean sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, right? I want sin square theta. Then what is sin square theta? This cos square goes to that side. Then we can write sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta by 1 plus cos theta d theta. It is looks like we can write 1 as 1 square. It's no problem, no loss, right? Then it is look like a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Apply. Then integral 1 plus cos theta times into 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta d theta, right? Then 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta both will be cancelled. Then what is the remaining, students, here? Simple integration, right? Then integral 1 minus cos theta d theta. We know, right, if I apply d theta individually, then integral d theta theta and integral cos theta sin theta minus cos theta minus sin theta, right, equal to theta minus sin theta plus c. So which one is correct option? Check, see the options and tell me. So it is only option 1, right? So it is option number 1. Next question. It's a straightforward question, right? It's just 1 second in your examination. See, students, you tell me how much time it takes. E power x f of x plus f dash f. E power x times f of x. Option 2, right? It's just 1 second question. Next question. X e power x. First of all, observe this question. X is one function, e power x is one function. How many functions here? 2 functions. What is which method in board exam? It's a by parts, right? First of all, it's a by parts method. By parts, how to solve? By using eyelet. If you go by like this, it will take time. Not time, it will take only 30 seconds only. But whenever this type of questions, you should be go by very quick manner. Okay, like this. I will explain that simplest method now. First, observe in these two, by using eyelet, you know, right, what is eyelet? Inverse trigonometry, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential. Here observe, x is algebraic, so it will come first. E power x, exponential, it will come. So first one x and e power x. Okay, write down the two things here. First one is x, second one is e power x. Now from this one, this side, students, this side, particularly this side, do differentiation. Okay, I will add that point. Okay, this is second function, right? It's a first function, it's a function 2, right? This side, what you should do right here? Derivative. This side, integration. Now write down that one. Derivative of x, 1. Integral e power x, e power x. Derivative of, now 1, derivative of 1, 0. Integral e power x, e power x. That's all, enough. Now what is our solution, right? Simple. Now these two cross multiplication, these two cross multiplication. this sign is always plus, this sign is always minus. Make sure students clear. Now first write down solution. My solution is I am writing directly. See, if you go by parts also, it is very easy. See, this function is very easy function. If you go however you go, then you can use it to solve by parts also. But suppose if it is x power 5 plus 1 times log x, like that if they give, if you go by parts, it will take time. You have only 1 minute time, right? So how to solve very fast, that's a matter. Now write the solution. Then if I am start x a power x plus, I mean first one x a power x, next minus times a power x is the my solution. X e power x minus 1 time e power x plus c. So what is your observation? In these two terms e power x is common. So take out e power x, then 1 minus, oh it is x minus 1, right? E power x times x minus 1 plus c. So which one is correct answer? So it is option number 3, right? So both are same. E power x times x, oh both are same. I mean it is also same, right? Okay, if you, I mean to say, suppose if it is x minus 1 into e power x also plus c, that one also same. Okay, a, you know, right? A into b equal to b into a, generally 2 into 3 equal to, general calculate. Now I mean 3 into 2, right? Yeah. Now apply the same shortcut trick here, then tell me answer. Okay, first what they given here, first function, okay, this one part over, right? Second one, it is x first function. Oh, first one it is by using highlight, it's algebraic, it's a trigonometry. So which one? X will come first, sin next will come. Second one function sin x, right? So this side do derivative, this side integration. So derivative of x 1, next time 0. So integral sin x minus cos x. So integral minus cos x minus x sin x. So whenever you are getting 0, enough. You may stop. That much enough. If if you go further also, you will get zeros. No use. Okay. Then this 2 multiplication, this 2 multiplication. It should be plus. It should be minus. Now write the solution. So x into minus cos x. So minus x cos x. This answer minus x cos x. Next one. Here observe students, here already sign is minus, already minus, minus of minus plus, it will come, right? Minus of minus plus sin x plus c. So which one is correct answer? Minus x times cos x plus sin x. So it is option number 3. So option 3, right? Yeah. Next question. This question also very easiest question. First write into standard form this question. It is not in the standard form, right? Integral 1 by square root of 1 plus 4x square, we can write 2x whole square dx. Now it is a standard form, right? It is looks like in the form of integral 1 by square root of a square plus x square dx. Make sure students your x coefficient should be always plus 1. If it is not there, then you should be divided that one. Clear? Now what is the time answer? It is nothing but a 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now write down that one. That's all. It's a that one. Oh, it's a, sorry, I spoke wrong, right? It's correct, students. When it will come 1 by 10. So integral 1 by a square plus x square dx. Then we can say 1 by a tan inverse x by a. But whenever with under root, right? A square plus x square dx is equal to log mod x plus under root of x square plus a square plus c. But our x coefficient plus 1. If it is not there, then you should be divided how much it is coefficient of x. Clear? Now if I am right in that form, then it goes to log mod x instead of x 2x. Yes or no? Instead of x, how much is that? 2x plus under root of a square plus x square. It means 1 plus 4x square. If I am expand again, you will get the same thing, right? Plus c. How much x coefficient is there? How much x coefficient? Observe, it is plus 1. No. If it is not plus 1, then we should divide 2, right? So where it is there? So it is nothing but it's a 1 by 2, right? So 1 by 2 log mod 2x plus, yeah, it is option number 2. So both are same, right? Then Next question, see. Okay, if 2x plus 3 is divisible by this one, then numerator equal to c. It's a very basic question, right? My standard question. What is standard form here? This type of question. Whenever integral looks like px plus q by either quadratic or with quadratic with under root quadratic, then what is your formula, students? Here, I mean your numerator, sorry. Then what is the method here? See here, if it is under root also, method should be same. Then numerator equal to a times d by dx of denominator plus b. This is the shortcut. Now observe which one is the correct answer. A times d by dx of what is denominator, x square plus b. So my answer is option 2 is my correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. Correct, right? Or, and also students, if this question, if they give like this also, the answer should be same. I mean or wait, yeah, or if your integral looks like this also, oh, it is a px plus q by under root of ax square plus bx plus c times dx, then what is your numerator answer goes to numerator equal to a into d by dx of into denominator plus b. So how to find a and b here? Coefficients, constants, substitute here in this one, you will get this one, and then solve for further integral. Clear? Next question, integral. Okay, we know, right? D by dx of a power x equal to a power x times log a. Now I want to find integration, right? So if I take integral on both sides, integral a power dx, then what will happen? You only tell me, right? Integral a power x, if I am take c, I want to find this one, right? Integral a power x equal to a power x times, both integral will be cancelled, then it will come divide this side. Clear? Then answer goes to a power x by log a plus c. This is my answer. So it is option number 2. Next question. It is also same question, right? I mean similar, right? This type of question already we did. Okay, now we will do by some fast. Okay, first sin x. What is sin x answer? Okay, first I will give this answer. We know, right? Here, I mean in trigonometry, sin 2x. What is sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x. If you want to find, so what is your observation, students? Your coefficient is 2, you are taking 1, right? Now what is coefficient here? 1, so it will come half. Okay, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now we have cos sin x, is that right? So this answer goes to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 dividing by, now only we discussed, right? What is 1 plus cos x? Simplest form, 2 cos square x by 2. How it will come, you know very well, right? So here no need to discuss that, all simple things. If you have if you don't know, then drop a comment. I will do this particularly, students, if you want. Then here 2 will be cancelled, 1 cos x by 2 will be cancelled. Then what is remaining here? Only integral tan x by 2 dx. What is the integral tan x here? Integral tan x equal to minus cos x, right? Oh, minus cos x, so minus log mod cos x, right? Okay, let me give a moment. So there are two forms, right? Here what are the forms? Minus log mod cos x plus c or log mod secant x plus c. So which one is possible? Oh, they gives cos, so I will use first one. Okay, so integral tan x equal to minus log mod cos, instead of x, how much is there? X by 2. Now only I said, right, if x coefficient is plus 1, then we will divide. But how much is there? 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 we should divide denominator. Then the 2 will goes to, this 2 will goes to numerator. Then what is my answer? It will become minus 2 times log mod cos x by 2 plus c, right? This is my final answer, students. Yeah, so which one is the answer? Option number 1. Next question, very easy question. Sine square cos square. So whenever the product are sine and cos squares, if these two are involved, so what is immediate your identity? It's, we have one identity, right? Instead of sine square and cos square, sine square plus cos square 1, but here 1 nothing, right? Nothing is there, so you can 1 into dx, so here 1 we can write sine square plus cos square. This is only trick here. Write down. Then I will write, instead of 1 as sine square x plus cos square x is dividing by sine square x into cos square x dx. So observe here, numerator is sum of two parts, right? Here this one split into one part and this one split into one part. So if I am split, sine square cancel, 1 by cos square. What is 1 by cos square? Secant square. So this one first part is goes to secant square x. Next, cos square 1 by sin square. What is 1 by sin square? Cosecant square. So secant square plus cosecant resultant, right? This implies this equal to first one, sin square 1 by cos square goes to secant square x dx, plus what is second part? Oh, individually known it, right? Then cos square will be cancelled, 1 by sin square goes to cosecant square times dx. We know it's a very basic formulas, right? What is this formula? Integral secant square tan x integral cosecant square x minus cot x plus c is the correct answer. Minus tan x, oh it's a plus tan, right? So which one is correct answer? It's option 2. Next question. Now it's a partial fraction. Now I will give the shortcut tricks. You should be keep in mind, students. Here I will give 3 shortcuts. I mean it will take very less time, like seconds. The first shortcut trick here, whenever integral it looks like 1 by x minus a into x minus b times dx, then the resultant it is in the form of 1 by a minus b times log mod x minus a by x minus b plus c. Students, this is first shortcut trick. See here, no need to find, I mean how to get these two, you know, right? It's a partial fraction. How to write this one? A by x minus a plus b by x minus b. If you want to find a, put x equal to a, then substitute here x equal to a minus b. You will get like this, you will get. Clear? Now second one is, oh, now minus case over, right? Now plus case. Integral 1 by x plus a times x plus b equal dx is equal to, again same, it is 1 by a minus b times, but here log mod the first one, x plus b by reciprocal. Students, x plus b by x plus a plus c. Clear? Next, third tricky, both negative or both positive or. Now one is positive, one is negative. First one is positive and second one is negative. Okay, or first one may be negative or second one would be positive. That one also same here. Then your resultant should be always both adding, either a plus b or b plus a. Then log mod x, the negative part is the right, that is numerator, and positive part goes to denominator. So this is only shortcut tricks here, students. Now see these 3 tricks, then tell me your answer first. Now if this question, given this question, both are minus, so we know, right? 1 by a minus b, 1 by, so these two, so the numerator should be always minus a, but they give minus b, right? It's the first one, right? So my answer is option 3. Next question. This question, first of all, it is not in the standard form, but so what this method is a method of perfect square. Write into method of perfect square, then compare, you will get solution. So how to write method of perfect square? You know, right? What the x option? 2 irrespective of sign. So plus 1 square adding and minus 1 square subtracting. That's only trick here. Suppose if it is 6, so what is the half of 6? 3 square adding, 3 square subtracting. Okay, then integral 1 by x square minus 2x. I'm adding x coefficient is 2, so half is 1 square and deleting 1 square plus 3. Observe students, I'm here added plus 1 square and minus square. Any cos? No cos, right? Then first part goes to O. It is looks like a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b square, right? Instead of a, x integral x instead of b 1, right? Whole square here, and also 3 minus 1, right? Is there 2? 2 can I write? How much I will get here? Oh, how much I will get? 2. 2 we can write root 2 whole square, right? Right, like this. Then it will becomes plus root 2 whole square times dx. Now it's a standard form. Integral 1 by x square plus a square. Simple answer. 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus a. Right, compare and write down. Then 1 by a, what is a value here? Root 2. Tan inverse x, instead of x, x minus 1 by a root 2 plus a. Here makes you students, here what is your observation in this solution? The given x coefficient is plus 1, so that's why I didn't divided anything here. Suppose if it is 2x minus 1, then I will divide full solution by 2. Clear? It's very basic important observation, otherwise your answer goes to wrong. So 1 by root 2, so where it is there? Option number 4. Next question, again similar question, right? Now first make it into perfect square. Okay, write down this equal to integral. So what is the x coefficient here? 2. So plus 1 square and minus 1 square, again adding subtract. X square plus 2x plus 1 square minus 1 square minus 3, right? Oh sorry students, minus 3 times dx. Then integral, first this one goes to a plus b whole square, right? Now a plus b, a is x and b is 1, x plus 1 whole square, then remaining is minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. So minus 4 we can write minus 2 whole square, both are same. Then it is in the standard form, right? What is this standard form here? It is looks like integral 1 by x square minus a square dx. What is the simplest form? General form, 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus a. This is general solution, right? Now write down those things. Instead of x, x plus 1 is there. Instead of a, 2 is there. Substitute, then write down. Then our answer goes to 1 by 2a. 2 into 2. Oh, I write directly. Okay, I will add one more step. 2a. 2 into 2 log mod x minus a. X plus 1. A value is 2 by x plus a. Right? If I am multiply this to 1 by 4 log mod x plus 1 minus 2, it means x minus 1, then here x plus 3 plus c. This is my final answer. So which one is correct? 1 by 4 times log mod x minus, it is option 1, correct, right? Yeah. Next one. Oh, this question is numerator. Okay, I will write this solution part here. Okay students. Okay, first given I is equal to integral, I am writing this one as directly simplest manner, standard form, sorry. 3 square minus 5x square, 25x square, right? 5x whole square dx. Now compare, it's general formula, right? 1 by a square minus x square dx. Again this answer is nothing but 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus 3. What is a here? 3. What is x here? 5x, right? And also make sure students, in this last previous problem, what is x coefficient? Plus 1. So that's why I didn't divide anything. If I am divide by 1, you will get again, right? I mean denominator part, you will get again 1. But what is x coefficient here? 5. So we should divide resultant by 5. This is very important. Now this answer is goes to 1 by 2a. What is 2 times a? 6 log mod a plus x. It means 3 plus 5x, right? 3 plus 5x. Then this side 3 minus, oh sorry students, it's a under root, right? I skipped here under root. Okay, then it is not that form, right? Okay, let me move it, removing this one. Then if I take under root, oh my god, okay, give me a second, I am removing this one. Then under root of, yeah, now it is 3 square minus 5x whole square. Then formula will be different, right? What is this formula now? Yeah, it is integral 1 by square root of a square minus x square dx equal to sine inverse x by a plus a, right? Now this is our standard form. Then it is sine inverse x, instead of x 5x by a, it is 3, right? Makes a student, is a plus 1 x coefficient, no. So there, so that's why I will dividing by 5. So then my answer is goes to sine inverse of 5x by 3. So it is there option plus c, right? Okay, we'll see 1 by 1 by 5, not there 1 by 5. Okay, correct it. Make students, it is 1 by 5 times this one. So we can write this one, oh, this one as this 5 as 1 by 5, both are same. So here 1 by 5 is missing, make students correct it. Then 1 by 5 if I am add, then option number 1 is correct. Then now this part, already this type of question we did. Now they are asking solution. This part we know very well, numerator whenever px plus q by a x square plus bx plus c. Then what is solution? This one. They are asking a by b. Okay, very good. Now write down that one numerator. Then what is the numerator here? If I am use this one numerator, they given 2x minus 5 a times d by dx of denominator. Oh, d by dx of denominator x square minus 2x plus 5 plus b. Then if I expand this one, 2x minus 5 equal to a times d by dx of derivative of x square. Oh, why, it's a just basic derivation, right? Then a times derivative of x square 2x minus 2 derivative constant 0 plus b. Here observe students, I am comparing x coefficients on both sides. Then what we will get here? X coefficient here 2a equal to 2, then a equal to 1, right? Next, comparing constant, minus 5 equal to minus 2a plus b, that is constant coefficient. So first one, first which one? X coefficients, x coefficients. Next, constants both sides. Then what you will get? First case 2x, I mean 2 equal to 2a, right? 2 equal to 2a. Then from this one a equal to 1. Then constants, minus 5 equal to minus 2a plus b. Substitute a value here. Oh, it's a plus b. Okay, if I am substitute, then b equal to minus 5 plus 2 times a, it means 2. Then b goes to minus 3. So this is my a and b also. They are asking a by b, right? Now I will write the remaining part here. Okay, can I write here? Better write. Now a by b equal to, what is a value? 1. So 1 by minus 3 equal to minus 1 by 3. So this is my answer. It's a b. Where is minus 1 by? So it is option number 1, student. Okay, next question. See, first write into this one as simplest manner. Under root of cosecant we can write 1 by sin x minus sin x, oh yeah, into dx. So if we cross multiply, then what we will get? 1 minus sin square x. What is this? Okay, first I will add one more step. Integral 1 minus sin square x by sin x dx. So what is 1 minus sin square x? We know, right? Cos square x. Then we can get cos square x by sin x. If I write, oh, give me a moment, this dx will go, this dx is out, right? Then yeah, then here we can use it to cancel both square and root will numerator part, the remaining part is okay, integral is there, no? Integral dx, integral, yeah, integral cos x by root sin x dx. You know very well, right? It's a basic formula. It is looks like, what is that formula? Integral 1 by root x dx equal to 2 root x plus c, right? Now same logic I am going to using here. What is this? Put sin x equal to t, derivative of sin x cos x dx, then our integral becomes 1 by root t dt. What is 1 by root t? 2 root t plus c. What is t here? Sin x. So my answer goes to 2 root sin x plus c. So which one? So it is option 1. Now we can write directly this answer. How much? 2 root sin x plus c. Clear? Yeah. So option number 1. Next question. So it is a simple observation question. Whenever rational forms involve students, observe your denominator is a function and numerator is derivative of the function or not. You just observe first. If it is a function, derivative of 2x square, 4x, derivative of x 1. Then what is the shortcut trick? I mean simplest form here. Integral f dash of x by f of x equal to dx, right? Dx equal to log mod f of x plus c is simplest. Now it's same approach, right? So what is the function here? The function is this one and derivative this one. Then my answer goes to log mod f of x. What is f of x? 2x square plus x plus 3 plus c. Here I am using shortcut trick here, this one. Clear? Oh. Now fine. So which one is correct option? Log mod 2x. So make sure students this one they didn't give modulus. Make it correctly. It's a mod. Okay, if mod also no not there, no problem. So option number 2. Next, integral log x, very basic formula, and also so many students see what they will give answer, right? Integral log x, right? 1 by x they will give. See here, derivative of log x is 1 by x, but integral log x is not 1 by x, right? So what is integral 1 by x equals to dx? It's a very basic important, right? It's a standard form, x log x minus x plus c. But how? That is a question, right? Observe students here. Integral log x dx is there. Now here nothing is there, 1. So what is your objection to function? It's a algebraic function. It's a logarithmic function by using highlight. It's a first one. It's a second one. Then if you use a shortcut trick, 1 here log x, right? This side 0. Then what is the integral log x? Again it will come out, right? So now go by simplest by parts. This one we can write how to. I mean answer is first option, but how? That's a question. We can write in 1 times log x dx. So what is the basic formula, you know, right? Integral integral fg dx, you know, right? F integral g of x dx minus square bracket integral f dash into integral g of x dx. For this dx integral over, for this one dx, right? So what is f and g here? F is 1 and g is 1. Substitute and then 10. So if I am substitute f, so 1. So 1 into integral isolate. Oh, it is no isolate. Acha. Sorry students, here I spoke wrong, right? So what is the first function here? It's a first function I. It's a first function I. It's a second function. Okay, if I go by shortcut trick, it will work here. No, right. Okay, do the general by parts part. Then first f is log x, so integral 1 is x minus integral f dash of x. Derivative of log x 1 by x, integral 1 is x into dx. X will be cancelled, then again 1 dx it will come. That answer goes to x log x. So what is 1 dx? X plus c. See, again we are getting same answer. So this answer is goes to x log x minus x plus c. Clear? It's a standard formula. Integral log x dx is goes to x times log x minus x plus c, and it should be remembered. Now tell me how many seconds you want to solve this question. It's just 1 second question, right? 1 by a tan was x by a. Now you tell me this one, how many seconds you want? 1 by, derivative of something equal to 1 by square root of 1 by square. It is nothing but a sine inverse, right? It's just 1, right? Understood my points here? D by dx of sine inverse x equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. If I take integral, this 2 will be cancelled. Here dx it will come. This dx will, then sine inverse x it will come, right? This integration dx. This one only sine inverse x. Understood? Next, it is also very basic question, right? Already this type of question we did. 1 by x square root of x square means it's a secant inverse. Next, okay, this question also we did. Okay, what is this? E power x log x derivative 1 by x. So my answer goes to e power x times log x. So option 3. Next, again easy question, right? So here derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Yes, e power x times 1 by x. So where it is there? E power x times 1 by x. So it is option number 4. Oh. Option 4. Next, integral x cos x. Now you tell me, write the shortcut trick first and then tell me answer. So isolate, right? So which one is first? Isolate. It's a first function, it's a second function. So it is x, it is a cos x. This side derivative of x1 and 0. Integral cos sin x and integral sin minus cos x. And then this side plus, here minus. This is my answer. So first x times sin x minus of minus plus cos x plus a. So which one is x sin x plus a? So it is option number 1 is the correct answer. Now next question. Okay, they given, it's a relation, right? Like composition of functions, right? F equal to this is one relation and equal to this one, then f circle g of. It's a clearly composition of function. What is first f circle g? Write down here. F circle g of 2, we can write f of g of 2, right? F of, okay, I will do like this. Yeah, f of, what is g of students? G of 2 students, where g at 2, what is answer? 3. So what is g of 2 here? Answer 3. F of 3. Oh, f of 3. What is f of 3 answer here, students? F of 3 is 5. What is f of 3? 5. Then it goes to 5 is the my answer. So which one? Option number 1. Then clear. This is the very simple. They ask a very easy question, right? Next question. Let f maps R to R O. It's a not only R, right? It's a R to real number to real number. What is R here? Real number to R. It's a f maps R to R given by f of x equal to tan x. Then what is the inverse of 1? Okay, first I am taking here, let y is equal to f of x, you know, right? Here if I am take in, then if I am take inverse on both sides, if I am send f this side, then what, this f if this side, then what will happen? F inverse of y is equal to x, right? Now compare these two students here. Instead of y, how much is there? 1. substitute that value, then write here. Then f inverse of 1 is becomes f inverse of 1 is goes to x, right? What is x value here? Not the right. Then f move to that side. Then oh, you say 1 only, right? 1 equal to f of x. Then what is f of x? Here they given tan x, right? From this one, tan x equal to 1. When you will get in tan table, tan pi by 4. If I can cancel these two, then we will get x equal to pi by 4, right? And also students, you know very well, right? What is the solution of tan x? I mean, if tan x equal to 0, then x goes to n pi. It's there. See, they're asking solution, like f inverse of general solution, right? Then n pi plus pi by 4 is the solution of f inverse of 1. Clear? Makes the students, if suppose if this option not there, so what is my answer? This one. Suppose if this option is there, so first one is my answer. Understood? Here is a solution set, right? And where n belongs to z. Then from this one, so what is solution? So here it will be become x is equal to, okay, where I will write here. Therefore x equal to n pi is the general solution. I mean, sin tan x goes to 0, then plus pi by 4, right? So now this is the full solution set, right? Where n is belongs to, what is it? Our n is acting role integer, right? So option, which one is correct? Option 1. Clear? Makes students here, if this option not there in your solution, this is the correct answer. If these two are there, so you should not pick this one. It's a not complete solution. Clear? This is the complete solutions of the given problem. Clear? Both for tan x is goes to 0, where at n pi, when you will get 1 at pi by 4. Clear? Next question. If f of x equal to, okay, substitute, okay, 3, then substitute, okay, then what will this answer? Okay, I'm writing directly. If we am substitute 3, there is 6 plus 3 9, then 2 2 to the 4 4 plus 3 7, dividing by f of 3, what is it? F of 3 9 minus 7, 9 plus 7 16 by 2. How much this answer? It's 8, right? So option 4 is the correct answer. Next one. If f of x equal to, this is a set builder form or roster form, students? It's a set builder form, right? It's a like statement related. What is the roster form? Whenever possible, write commas, like this one is roster. It's a set builder form first, then there are some range, right? First, what are the possible values of x here? So x, it will take here 2 3 4, but it won't be take 5, it will take less than 5. Okay, substitute respectively those values, then write the range here. Now first x equal to 2, substitute here x equal to 2, 2 square minus 1, what is first answer? 3. Then 3 square minus 1, then 8, then 4 square minus 1, then 15 is the range of the answer. Then which one is correct? 3 8 15, so option 3. So this is the range of the given problem. Next one. If the set A contains 3 elements and B contains how many elements? Oh, it is a comma, right? This one correct, comma comma. How many elements here? It's a 4 elements contained, right? Then what is n of p? Observe, what is the p here in set theory? It's a power set, right? So what is the power set formula? So number of elements in power set equal to 2 power n of a into n of p formula, right? Substitute that values, 2 power. Here what is the number of elements in A? 3. What is the number of elements in B? 4. Then it will become 3 into 4. This answer goes to 2 3 4 12. So 2 power 12. What is they given? 2 to power 12. Okay, first. Then what is 2 power 12 answer? 2 power 10 is 1024. Then it will, if I multiply 2024, if I multiply 1 power 2024 10, oh, it is okay, give me a moment, 2048, right? If I multiply, okay, 1024, if I multiply 2048, multiply by 2, 4096. How much answer? 40. Okay. How much answer? Okay, I will write that answers also. Here 2 power 10 is 1024, 2 power 11 2048, 2 power 12 4096. Then it will become 4096. So which one? Oh, they didn't dot. Okay, they gave that much only. So which one is correct answer? 2 power 12 is the right answer. My option 4. Next, let star be the binary operation defined by one of the operation. Then operation star is which one will be satisfied. You know, right? What is the commutative law first of all? Okay, very simple. Commutative means, commutative property means if AB equal to, if you get BA, then we can say commutative. What is associative? Associative, right? Yeah, A star B, I mean multiplication. Okay, here not just write into multiplication. AB into C equal to, if we get A times BC, then we can say it's a associative. First I'm going to checking commutative. Okay, which one first? Commutative. Okay, what is commutative if I am apply here? Okay, A star B, they give A plus B by 4. Okay, I am checking now ulta B star A. What is B star A is here answer? B plus A by 4. Yeah, both are same, right? Yes or no? This implies A star B equal to B star A. Then what we can say? It's a commutative. Commutative, right? Next, check now. Associative checking. A star B star C, right? What is A star B answer? A plus B by 4 star C, right? If I multiply one more time, then it will become A plus B by 4 plus C by 4, right? Then what is this simplification here? A plus B plus 4C dividing by 16. Coming to second situation, A star of B star C. So how much this answer? Apply this one first. A star of, what is B star C answer? B plus C by 4. Then if I am apply one more time binary operation, then A plus of B plus C by 4 dividing by 4. Then how much this answer goes to? 4A plus B plus C by, oh my god, let me move it. 4A plus B plus C by 16. It is equal to this one. This answer goes to this one possible. It's a 4C, it's a 4A. Okay, it is not equal, right? From this one we can say it is not equal to, it is not equal to, what is first one? A star of B star B star C, oh, B star C. If these are not equal, then we can say it is associative. Not, right? A star of B star C is not equal to not C. Then okay, adjust this one. Oh, give me a moment. So from this one, this given binary operation, it is satisfying commutative but need not be associative. So which one is correct answer? Commutative, associative, commutative but not associative. So option number 2. Now see the next question. In the group Kcet and binary operation star, then A star B equal to A plus B minus n, then where is fixed integer? Inverse of minus n, how much? Now Here we know, right, what is the multiplicative identity, students? It's a 1, right? And what is the additive identity? 0, right? Yes or no? A into 1 is equal to A, that equal to 1 times A, right? As well as whatever the binary, A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A equal to, it's a addition, it's a multiplication identity, it's a into 1. Now in this one they are talking about binary operation. First I am writing identity property. What is the identity property here? Identity A star E equal to A, right? I mean here binary operation. Then if I apply this definition here, then what it will be happen? That implies A plus E minus N equal to A. Both sides A will be cancelled. Then from this one we can say E equal to N. Okay. Then E equal to N. Now what is the inverse here? What is the inverse of, what is the N? First of all, inverse. Okay. If A is the any element, what is the inverse of A? A inverse equal to how much it will come? 1. But it's the operation identity, right? If I am apply the definition and also make sure students, let I am taking here I am taking, let x be the inverse element. Then how to write this one? I am taking, understood here? Okay, I will write. Since I am taking A inverse equal to x, then my calculation goes to A times x equal to, what is the E value here? N, right? Then if I am apply the definition, A star x equal to A plus E, I mean x, right? X minus N equal to N, right? From this one what we can say? X equal to 2n minus a, right? X equal to 2n minus a we can say. And also what is the A value, students? Here according to question it is minus inverse, right? This one they are saying minus n. Okay, I will write rightly that. Now inverse of minus n is equal to, what is the first one? X. What is the x here? A inverse, right? So what is the value here? Observe what I say, take here. X is the A inverse. What is the answer of x here? Write down this one only. It is nothing but a 2n minus A. What is the A? Inverse of, right? Inverse of which one? Minus n. Okay, minus of minus plus 2n plus n. This answer goes to 3n. So finally how much I got answer here? 3n, students. Oh, okay, I will remove this one. Simple definite calculation, right? It's a 3n is the my correct answer. So this is the inverse of, so which one is option? Option number 4 is the correct answer. Make sure, students, if you have any doubt, please drop a message in comment section. I will clear your doubts and particular that question and write the mention time also, in which question you are facing difficult, I mean not able to understand direct solutions if you are feeling like that. Okay, next here they given one of the function, it is mapping real number to real number and defined one function, then f of 2 equal to how much? Now okay, write down one by one f of 2. What is f of 2? Answer first, x is goes to 2 square plus 1 5, right? Okay, now define f of 2. f of 2 equal to, what is f of 2? F of 2 by 5. Now compare this one as x, f of x. Now x is how much value? 2 by 5. Substitute in the given original function f of x is goes to now 2 by 5. Then it will become 2 by 5 by 2 by 5 whole square plus 1. Then 2 by 5, what is 2 by 5 whole square? It is a 4 by 25 plus 1. If I am take LCM, then 2 by 5 by, it's a 25 plus 4, 29 by 25. Then what is your what is cancellation term here? 5 1 ja 5, 5 ja. Then final calculations, 5 2 ja 10, 10 by 29 is the my answer. It is there Yes, it is option number 1 is the correct option. Next one. Then the interval subset. Okay, it's a whether the given one of the set builder form, then what is the interval subset? First observe the lower limit is 5 and upper bound is 10, and see here it's a maybe it will take less than 10 or equal. It means close, right? What is the it will take what is closure means its boundary will be attained. Coming to here, it will be attained, no, so it is 5. It won't be take 5, but it will take middle values. Clear, students? Now what is the correct option here? From by using the given question, this is the interval they given, they given one of the inequality. From this one, what is the correct answer? Open 5. It's a, see, observe, it's a very strict, right? It won't be take equal values, it will take equal. It is not strict. Clear? It's a less than or equal, or it is not strict. It will be very strict. Strict means it's a open, it's a not strict means it's a closed. Clear? Now option, okay, open 5 and closed 10. Option 2. Next one. Okay, let a relation on the given one of the relation 3a plus 2b equal to, then r is how much? Okay, from this one, given condition founded b value, just either b value or a value, your choice, students. Now take one by one option, then pick correct answer. Okay, now first, okay, if I am take observe 112 112 2, so first option I am checking, next second, next third. Okay, and also make sure, students, your is a defined n natural number. Your resultant should be always a on b, where it will be looks like act only natural number. It should not be like any like integers or like that. It will not be correct answer. First of all, clear? Okay, first one, say 1 comma 12. If I am take a is 1, then how much it will come? Okay, 27 minus 3 1 is 3, so 21 minus 3 24, so it will come 12. Yes, it is possible. Next, if I am take a equal to 3, then 3 3 is 9. If I am 18 by 2, it means 9, right? Yes, perfect. Next, 5 comma 6, so a is equal to how much? 5. Okay, then if I am substitute 5, then what is the answer? 3 5 is 15, it's 12 by 2, it is 6, correct? Next, a equal to how much? 7, so 7 3 is 21, then 6 by 2 3. Yes, so b goes to 3. Perfect. Okay, up to here, for if I am take 9 0, so how much? A 9. 27 minus 0 by 2, it's equal to 0, but it's not a natural number. Understood, students? Why option 2 is wrong? Okay, as well as 0 comma 27 by, first of all 0 it won't be take, right? Next one here 2 comma 1, if I am substitute 2 here, 6 11 21 by 2, it will be divided? No, it is not a natural number. So only what is the correct option here? 1. Clear? If you have any doubt, ask. Next, the set A has 4 elements and B has 5 elements. Number of injective mapping. Already we discussed this type of question in one of the PVQ paper, right? Now, what is the how to find injective function mappings? It means injective means 1 1. What is the meaning of injective? Here they are asking 1 1. How to find is simple, right? Injective mappings. What is simple condition? N of A is less than or equal to N of B. First of all, it is satisfied. 4 is less than or equal to 5. Yes. Otherwise, simply we can say 0. Okay. Then what is formula? Mapping equal to, what is the, it's a piecewise, N P M, where N should be always, oh, it is greater, right, students? N means second set, M means first set. Okay, N is greater than or equal to M. If it is N is less than M, how much it will come answer? 0. Students, now substitute here first one, then how much answer it will come? N 5 P 4. What is 5 P 4 answer here? Say 5 factorial by 5 minus 4 1 factorial. What is 5 factorial answer? 120, right? Say 120 is the correct answer. 120. Make sure, students. So which option is correct? 120. So option number 4. Next, if A and 4 having common 4 common elements, then number of elements from. It is a very easy, right? Already I gave this formula also. Now I am right. What is this symbol name here? It's a Cartesian product, right? A cross B and B cross C is a Cartesian. What is the Cartesian product formula? N of A cross B is equal to N of A into N of B. Now what is this answer? N of A equal to 4. I mean common 4, right? 4 4 ja 16. Then answer 16 is my correct answer. So option number 3. Clear? Observe students here. They only said A and B have 4 common elements. Clear? Next. They given one of the piecewise continuous function. They are asking what is f of minus 2 f of c. First, where it will take f minus 2 values. It will take here. So this is possible function. Where it will take 3. Here it will be take. So it is 3 possible. Next 4. It will take 4. Here it will take 3 more. So it is a possible. Substitute f of minus 2. Then what is f of minus 2? 3 into minus 2 plus f of 3. It's x square. It means 3 square. Next 4. It will take 2 times 4 minus 6 plus 9 plus 8. So 9 plus 8 17. 17 minus 6 it's 11 is the correct answer. So option number 4. Clear students? So here it will take this one, it will take here this one, here it will take this function. Next one, if f of x plus equal to this one, then what is the possible values of a and b? Now substitute that values and then tell. If f of, okay, if I am substitute minus 1, then minus 5 equal to minus a plus b, one of the equation. Next, if I am substitute 3, then they give 3, then 3a plus b. If I am add these two, oh, it is if it's subtraction, right? If I am subtract these two will be cancel. Okay, give me a moment. Plus b. Yeah, if I am this subtract this two will be cancelled, then minus 8 equal to minus 4a, minus cancel, 4 1 ja 4 2 ja, then a will become 2, right? Now to find the value of b, substitute. See, if you want to find b value, substitute that a value either here or here. Okay, now I am going to substitute first equation. Then what is the first equation here? b minus a equal to minus 5, right? If I am substitute a value equal to 2 minus 5, right? b equal to minus 5 plus 2 minus 3. So b equal to how much? Minus 3. So where it is there? 2 comma minus 3. So 2 comma 3 is wrong. So 4 is my answer. So option 4 is this one. Next one, it is also one of the binary operation they given. No, first one. Okay, first this one, on the set of all positive rationals, star is the binary operation, they given one condition. Then what is the value of x they are asking, right? Okay, first apply the identity. What is the identity here? A star e equal to a. If I apply the binary operation here, 2 a by 5 equal to a, right? If I am cancel, a is on both sides, then what is the value of e here? 5 by 2, right? Yes or no, students? Then it will become reciprocal, right? Next one. So what is the next identity here? Inverse. What is the inverse here? A into a inverse equal to a, right? Instead of a, what they gave here, it's a 3 inverse they say. Okay, take a as 3 first. Now 3 into, I mean binary operation, 3 inverse equal to e, right? If I am apply the operation here, then what it will come answer? Then it will become 2 times 3 inverse into, right? Sorry, let me give me a moment. I will write here one more step. 2 times 3 times 3 inverse by 5 equal to how much? It's a e. Now what is our target to find here? 3 inverse is the target to find. Then from this one, 2 3 6 by 5, if I am saying that side, it's a 3 inverse equal to how much I will get here? 5 by 6 times e, right? What is the e value? Substitute and then write 5 by 6, and what is the here? 5 by 2, then it will become 25 by 12. This is 3 inverse. What is this answer? 3 inverse, right? So 3 inverse, we got this one. Then if I am using that relation, this one, substitute here 3 inverse, then apply the definition also. Then 2 star x answer 2x, oh sorry, right, it's a 2ab, right? So it will become 2 times ab, what is a here 2, what is b here x, by 5 equal to 3 inverse. So here how much we will get here? 4x by 5 equal to, what is 3 inverse? 25, oh it's 25, right? 25 by 12. From this one, what is the value of x, students? Okay, I will write here. Then x will become, to cross multiply, 5 5 is 25, 12 4 is 48. Then it will becomes 125 by 48 is the my answer. It is there in options. Yes. So this is my final answer. X equal to 125. So which one is there? Option 4 is the correct option. Next one. The given one of the 3 cross 3 matrix, they are saying this matrix singular matrix. What is the meaning of singular matrix? Determinant of goes to 0, then value of possible opposite. Okay, find out if any matrix is singular matrix, then what we can say is determinant of A equal to 0. Then find out. You know, right, how to expand this one? It's a plus, minus, plus. So first element into this determinant, minus times this one determinant, plus this times this determinant. Okay, start. 0 times 5x minus 7 9 is 63, right? Minus x times x square, then minus 7 into 0 0, right? Next plus 16 times 9x minus 5 times 0 0 equal to how much determinant? 0. Then from this one here, first one 0, anything goes to 0, then minus into plus, minus times x cube plus 69 is 144, x equal to 0. From these two, what is common? I am taking minus x is common, then x square minus 144 equal to 0, right? Then minus x, it is looks like, see 14 we can write 12 square, then a square minus b square. What is this one? A plus b to a minus b. Then x plus 12 times x minus 12 equal to 0, right? Students, tell me when it will goes to 0 here, right? X, see that possible values of x here may be 0 or negative 12 or 12, right? Is there another possibilities for x is goes to 0? See how to do. See if it is x is 0, 0 into anything 0, then f x is minus 12, minus 12 plus 12 goes to 0, 0 into anything 0, plus 12, 12 minus 12, 0. This is only 3 possibles. So what are the possible values of x here? 0, 12. So option 1 is correct. Next question. The characteristics roots. What is the alternative? Another name of characteristics? Eigenvalues. If they mention instead of instead of characteristics, eigenvalues, both are same. See, first of all, observe this question. Given matrix, it's a square matrix with order 3 by 3. It means 3 rows with 3 columns, right? And this matrix is clearly lower triangular matrix. What is the meaning of lower triangular matrix? The main diagonal above sides are all entries are filled by zeros, right? See, whenever your matrix either upper triangle, lower triangular or upper triangular, then what it will happen? Then your characteristics roots or eigenvalues is the main diagonal values, the main diagonal, right? Okay, I will write here. Since given matrix is lower triangular matrix. Okay, let me move it. Lower then okay, or upper triangle are also students, or triangle, it means or triangle, it means either lower triangular or upper or both. Okay, then characteristics values or main diagonals. What are the main diagonals here? What are the main diagonals in this question? It is oh, what are the main diagonals? 1, 3, 6, right? Yeah. So now these are the characteristics. Well, so where it is there 1, 3, 6 makes you students your matrix, maybe it is lower, maybe it is upper, or both. Then what is your characteristics or equals the main principal diagonal. So my correct option is option 3. Next one. Okay, they define order of A, order of B, and order of C. Which of the following is not defined? See, observe. It's what is the transpose, right? What is the meaning of transpose? Right, rows as columns and columns as rows. This is the only simple meaning of transpose. First of all, observe this one and this one. You will get. See, this is you will get always okay for you write everything possible or not. C B plus A transpose. And also students, if whenever you want to add or subtract, that both order should be necessarily same order. And if you want to product any two matrices, the number of columns, like suppose A is m by n, B is n by p, the number of columns of first matrix equal to these two should be same, then we can say product, we can do product, otherwise impossible. Clear? Then what is the resultant? 1 and 4. Now CB plus it is, what is CB order here? C is 3 by 3, B order, oh, it's a 3 cross 3 by 3. Next B order is 3 by 2, and A transpose is volt of this A, it's a 3 by 2. Now tell me, it is possible? Yes, these two are same, so 3 by 2, so this 3 by 2, adding, yes, possible. Next option, C. What is the C here? C is 3 by 3, A plus B transpose. A is 2 by 3 plus B transpose, volt of B, right? Volt of B means 2 by 3, right? And they're saying whole transpose. Okay, first see this one. These two possible? Yes, both same orders are same, we can add. And what the resultant should be 2 by 3. Can we multiply? No. So but what they give? Transpose. If I say transpose, what is this transpose resultant? It's a 3 by 2, right? Now see the students, these two are same. Oh, sorry, these two are same. Yes, then what is the resultant? 3 by 2. Yes, it is possible, we can define, right? So it is also possible, students. Now see the next option, BAC, right? BAC. What is the B order here? B is 3 by 2 and A is 2 by 3 and AC is 3 by 3. Now possible or not? See, these two are same. Yes, that resulted 3 by 3, right? Then 3 is there. Yes, then resulted 3 by 3. Yes, possible. Next one, C. What is the C? A tan A plus B transpose. What is C order, students, here? 3 by 3. A order 2 by 3. B transpose, it's a volt of B, right? 2 by 3. Now observe, this is possible first of all. Yes, possible. Then what this resultant is, it will come full, this we will get 2 by 3. But here students, observe, if you want to multiply these two, it is possible, this result is possible. Oh, can we able to multiply? Oh my god, let me move it. Oh, perfect shape. If we make, sorry, oh, let me move it. Sorry, Yeah, okay, better. Yeah, now see, these two are same, for product not same, so that's why we can't do this one. I mean, not define, we can't, they're asking not define, right? So this, which one is not defined? Option 4. Okay, next, find the A inverse. Very simple. What is the A inverse formula? A inverse equal to 1 by det A into adjoint of A. What is the determinant of A here? Observe, very simple. 4 minus 6 minus 2, minus 2 into adjoint of A. What is the, how to write adjoint A? You know, right? These two will be interchange. These two sign. Okay, first interchange I will tell you. These two are interchange. Okay, what is interchanging here? 4 1. Okay, then how to write remaining positions? These, if these two are same sign, do opposite sign. I'm not same. See, if it is positive, do negative. If it is positive, negative. Suppose if it is negative, give positive. If it is negative, positive. Now write that adjoint minus 2 minus 3. If I multiply, okay, this one is there. Yes, plus and minus, minus half. 4 minus 2 minus 3 1. So option number, which one is correct? Option number 3, right? Now see the next question. Now they are asking adjoint, right? It's very easy, right? So how to write adjoint of A? Adjoint of A equal to, now tell me first how to write this one. These two are interchange. Okay, now I am interchanging 6 and 1. Then what about remaining these two? Give the opposite signs. What is opposite? Plus 4 becomes minus 4 and minus plus 5 becomes minus 5. So which one is correct? 6 minus 4 minus 5. So it is option 1 only, right? So my answer is option 1. Next one. Okay, if you want to solve this question, just you should recall one basic definition. What is it? We know that A into adjoint A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to, what is the resultant? Det A into I. Compare, students. If this one equal to this one or this one equal to this one, clear? Now this one A into adjoint A equal to this one, they said. So compare with the det A into I. What is the det A value? 5. From this one, what is the det A equal to 5, right? Now they are asking determinant of adjoint A, right? Okay, I am writing this one as small. Say determinant A into I. Now determinant of A. Now it's a black, right? Determinant of adjoint of A. What is the determinant of adjoint? Is simplest formula, det A power n minus 1. What is the n value? It is the order of the matrix. What is the order here? 3. N goes to 3. Substitute det A. It is 5 power 3 minus 1, 5 square. It is nothing but a 25 is the answer. So where it is 25, option number 4 is the my correct answer. Next one. If A and B are square matrix, okay, then such that this one equal to this one, then find out this one. Okay, first write this one. A plus B into A minus B. First evaluate, expand this one. How to expand, you know, right? In complex numbers you already studied, right? Okay, first this one into this one, this one into this one, or this one into this one, and this one into, okay, A into A square minus AB plus BA minus B square. How much they are saying? A square minus B square, right? Observe, students, when we will get these two only, see, if you are able to write AB as BA, then 1 minus and 1 plus BA will be cancelled, otherwise not possible. From this one, what we can conclude here? Therefore AB equal to BA, otherwise no. Otherwise can we get that value resultant? Otherwise no. Clear? Now what we need to find? That one. Now we need to find this one, right? Okay, take that one. AB A inverse whole square equal to, okay, what is AB inverse? Is nothing but a, it's a AB A inverse into AB A inverse, right? Yes or no? Now expand this one. If I am remove this one, what will get? AB A inverse oh AB A inverse A B A inverse V A inverse. This one we know, right? What is A inverse answer? I, right? Okay, substitute. Then AB AB I B A inverse, right? And also I into anything, right? So we will get a B into B square A inverse. Okay, if I am supple these two, then again we will get I B square, then I B square. What is B is a matrix, right? Matrix into identity, matrix only will come. The resultant is goes to B square is the answer. So which one is correct? B square. So my answer is B square is option 3 is the my correct answer. Next, if okay or respectively, then what is the answers? Okay, first write the general linear equation. What expand? First row first column, next second row second column equal to this one. Clear? First row first column equal to 4 answer, second row first column equal to only one column, right? 6 is answer. Okay, I expand the first one. X plus 3 to 6, right? X plus 6 equal to, they said 4. From this one we can say x equal to 4 minus 6 minus 2. X value ready, comma. Next one, 2 plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, then 2y equal to 4. From this one y equal to 2, right? From this one how much, what is the value of y? 2. So finally what is the x value and y value? 2. So it is respectively x and y values are respectively minus 2 comma 2. So which one is the correct option here? It is option number 2. Next one, if A and B are square matrix, then which of the following relation is correct? They are asking. Okay, tell me. It's a commutative, right? Matrix multiplication is commutative? No, it's a wrong. AB equal to BA. Oh, it's a correct, right? They are asking correct. Matrix multiplication need not be commutative. Yes, it's a perfect. It's a commutative. No, AB is not equal to BB unless and they provided. AB transpose equal to A transpose. No, it is a B transpose A transpose. AB plus B whole transpose equal to, what is the answer? A transpose plus B transpose, but they are saying product. So this is also option. So what is the possible answer? Only correct. Clear? I spoke wrong. This is starting of the solution. Makes correct students. This one here I will write. Okay. Matrix multiplication need not be commutative unless provided. If they say, then we can say, otherwise no. Clear? Matrix multiplication need not be commutative. Next question, if any two matrices, okay, AB, then it exists. Okay, when AB possible. Okay, very easy. First check. So what I teach you, if you want to multiply these two matrices, it is m by n, it is p by, let us k. If these two are same, it means n equal to p, then what is the resultant? M by k. Okay, now we will check these two are same or not. Okay, 3 by 2, 3 and 2 same? No, it is not possible. 2 and 1, not possible. 2, 2, yes. 2, 3, not possible. So option only 3 is the correct answer. It's just once like 2-3 seconds, right? Question. Next one. Next also similar question, student. They given two matrices order and what is the order of AP. Okay, tell me just these two are same. Yes. Then what is the result? M by P. So what is the M by P answer? It is option number 2. Just 1 second. Next, the matrix they given one of the relation A is equal to this one. Okay, then what is the possible matrix? Okay, first write the matrix. If any matrix, okay, I will write here. A is A equal to, what is the, for 2 cross 2 matrix interest, tell me. A11, A12, A21, A22, right? Okay, if I am apply here a is equal to I plus j, right? Then what is the value of a is a matrix? Resultant, tell me. Yeah, it's 2 cross 2. Yeah, first 1 1 1 plus 1 2 2 by 2 1. Next I am saying this one 1 plus 1 2 2 by 2. Next 1 plus 2 3 by 2. It is 3 by 2. Next 1 plus 2 3 by 2. Next 2 plus 2 4 4 by 2 2. So these are my answers. 3 by 2 3 by 2 then 2. So which one is option? So option number 4 is the correct option. Oh, next one. Okay, if A matrix is okay satisfying both, okay, sum of this one and this one, then what is the result? Very simple, just so what will happen, these two are, so this minus and plus will cancel, a plus a, how much we will get answer? Okay, I will write one more step here. Okay, simple, this one and this one will be cancelled, then what is the resultant? 2a we will get. So option number 2. Next question. Okay, then determinant of a equal to, how to write the determinant? You know, product of these two minus product of these two. Okay, start. Cos into minus cos square theta, middle minus, sin into sin square theta. What is your observation? Minus is common. Then if I take, then cos square theta plus sin square theta, what is the identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so minus 1 is the my answer. So which one is correct? Answer 3. Next, final question, student. Now, okay, let the given one of the complex roots is imaginary cube roots of unity. So what are the cube roots in unity here for? The sum of cube roots is first of all 1 plus, okay, I will write first what are the cube roots. First roots I will write, let 1 omega square is the imaginary cube roots of unity. Then they are asking determinant of a. Okay, first write basic two properties, the sum of imaginary roots, cube roots. Then what is the answer? First one 1 plus omega square equal to 0, and next one more property, omega cube equal to 1. Okay, by using this one find out determinant of a. Determinant of a equal to product of this one, omega cube minus omega into omega square, omega cube, right? Okay, 1 into omega cube minus omega into omega cube is equal to omega cube. It's a omega, students. What is this name? It's a omega minus 2 bases are same, partial, oh, it's a square, right? Sorry, students, it's a square. If any two bases are same, power should be adding, then we will get again omega cube. Then omega cube minus omega cube 0. So 0 is the my answer. So option number A. So this is the way, students, and we discussed all questions in this mock test 2 paper. And if you have any particular doubts in this session, please drop your message and also mention the time. And also best of luck, students, and do hard work and take seriousness. That time only you will be achieve whatever they would target. Okay, until that time, all the best. Bye bye, students. Next video will get mock test 3 and mock test 4 like day tomorrow only. Okay, I will try. Okay, bye bye, students, all the best. Until that time, keep learning.